ASAP, add to cart. Like, whoa, it changes my life. If it's in your cup holder, what was that? I think this would be perfect to pitch. This is by far my favorite. Hey babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing. I'm going to show you what I got from the Lash Professionals. I love doing unboxings. I just haven't done one in a while. But before we get started, if you guys can hear that in the background, can you hear? It's currently storming and it's going to storm all week. I just hope that my power doesn't go out. If you know, you know, but if you don't, follow me on Instagram. If you're not following me already, I go live every Wednesday. So tomorrow I'll be live. But about 2 weeks ago, I shared on my stories that we had lost power. There was a huge ice storm. I lost power for 2 days. My mom lost power for a whole week. So I'm just hoping that we don't lose power. These storms and stuff like that make the trees break and fall on power lines, and it just messes up our whole city. So let's just get into it before I lose power. Look, we're not gonna lose power, okay? Let's get into it. So like I mentioned, the package is from the Lash Professionals. They were nice enough to give you guys a code. So if you guys want to shop on their website, I think the code is 𝑗esicaVXO. I'll post it up here just to make sure that's the code. But if we open her up, look at all the goodies inside. Okay, let me do a thumbnail first and foremost. The first thing I noticed when opening this package was the smell. It smells so good. The second thing is this baseball hat. You guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you guys already know, but if you don't, I always post like my little cute gym fits or like just me working out at the gym, and I'm always wearing a baseball hat because it just feels like no one can see me. I feel like more in the zone, especially when I have my mask on. I'm like, no one knows who I am up in here. And I just love wearing baseball hats when I go get my nails done, again, so no one can see me. You know, I don't have to do my hair. I can just throw it up in a little bun and have my little hat on. And this that says artist is just so cute. I feel like the font is Old English. Love it. Black and white is just chef's kiss. The next item I got is this tumbler. You guys are gonna die with the design on this tumbler, but I want to quickly read this little thing down here. It says, represent your career every day with this iconic wink wink tumbler. And how they spelled iconic is E-Y-E. How freaking cute is that? Let me open her up and show you guys how she looks. This is so freaking cute, guys. Oh my god, look at her. So she is matte black, and then in the front she has, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. She has 4 eyeballs. There's like this little eyelash confetti on her. There's 4 eyeballs, and then this one is white. This is Lash Professionals logo, and I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. On the back it has Lash Professionals, and then it says iconic XX on the top. This is so pretty. I'm getting into smoothies, so this is going to be perfect to like put my smoothies in here, or my coffees, my cold coffee, keep it nice and cold. Or if you're someone that likes hot coffee like my mom, she always has these, but for her hot coffee, I personally never drink I cannot speak. I personally never drink hot coffee, but she does. So this keeps your coffee super hot for a long time. The little stainless steel or whatever. And how freaking cute. It fits in your cup holder. I love this. This is so much. What was that? If you don't have a lash mirror, dental mirror, whatever you want to call it, you need to go get one ASAP. This one right here is super huge. You're going to definitely need a lash mirror because you don't want to be standing up to go see if your client's eyes are opened, if the sets are coming out even. You just place the little dental lash mirror and you can see all your work. And this is so huge, like I said, that you can place it like this. You're able to see like your whole work. Like, it's easy. It's not like one of those tiny itty bitty ones or a weird heart shaped. I know some people love like those weird shapes. I personally just like a simple shape that just works, you know what I'm saying? So this is a definitely must in a lash stash, in a lash artist professional's stash. What am I even trying to say? You need a lash mirror. That's what I'm trying to say. I also got some adhesive and some lashes. As you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, I'm someone that likes to say, if it's not broken, don't fix it. So I've been like in my box and I haven't really ventured out with different lash brands, different adhesive, but I'm trying really hard because I just want to like expand my knowledge on different brands. So I got the Not Your Basic lash adhesive. This says attachment that will last through all the life stuff. How cute. And I also got a decurl 0.5 mix. As you guys know, I only use 0.3, 0.7 and like 0.15 for classic, but I really don't use 0.5 all that often. I did try some from EBL, I believe, and I liked them, so I'm excited to try some other 0.05s. I just have not been expanding my lash collection because my studio is very small, as you guys seen on last week's video. I'll post it up here if you guys have not seen it just yet. It is like my lash cart video. My studio is really small, so to have like all these different like lashes and this and that just hasn't been my top priority, but this year it is. This year I'm like trying to expand. And also last week I did mention I was doing a giveaway. I have the little names, my assistant put them in here, so at the end of the video we'll choose who the 2 winners are. If you guys did not know about my giveaway, I was hosting a giveaway for hitting 20K here on YouTube. Thank you if you just found me. If you're watching this video, I really appreciate you, but I just wanted to do a little thanks to celebrate me hitting 20K. So like I mentioned, I will be sharing with you who the winners are at the end of this video. I also got some new tweezers. They look like this. It's kind of like a L type of tweezer. I feel like these would be perfect for pinching, which I'm also trying to get out of my comfort zone and just keep practicing. I feel like if I practice every single day, I'll get better. I just don't practice every day. And I do have a lot of tweezers, but I don't have something similar to this one, which I feel like would be perfect to pinch. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, I think this would be perfect to pinch. So we got that, and then we also got a fan. This is by far my favorite fan I've ever held. Let me read it on the back. It says, this bladeless fan design provides strong wind power without the fear of hair getting caught in the blade. There's 3 wind speed options, yada 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 yada, quiet, blah 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 blah. Guys, this fan, I love it. If you're gonna get anything, get the fan ASAP. Add to cart. Also, the Lash Professionals have a YouTube channel. I'll link them down below so you guys can go check her out. She's so stinking cute. But what's it called? This fan is just so innovative. It looks, one, so stinking chic. Like, oh my god, it has a nice weight to it. And look at it. So in the front, there's a button. If you hit it, nothing's gonna happen. You have to hold down, then it starts, okay? And that's level 1. You can hit it again. Level 2, hit it again. Level 3. And then you can hit it again. Level 1, level 2, level 3. It has like this specific area where it shoots out the air from. Let me turn it off. You have to hold down to turn it off. So hold down to turn it on, hold down to turn it off, hit, 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 so it can be different speeds. But what I love about this so much is my other fan is kind of big, and sometimes I notice, like even when I do it on myself, I'm like, whoa, I like am gonna choke. There's so much air. This only shoots out the air in a specific area, and you're only trying to dry out the eyelashes. You're not trying to like, you're not misting the face and trying to like blow dry the whole face. You're only trying to, you know, a specific area. And this fan is perfect for that. Like, it shoots air right on the eye area, and I'm so pleased with it. Like, you cannot tell me there's a better fan out there. There's not a better fan. I'm obsessed with this. Like, the weight, I already talked about it, but guys, you're gonna see this all over my Instagram. It's like my new favorite thing, and this is why I'm telling you guys I need to expand, because like I think some things are fine that I have in my studio, but then I like get things from brands and I'm like, whoa, it changes my life. The last item I wanted to show you guys is this planner. It is on sale right now because it is about to be March, but you guys should definitely still check it out. I love that in the beginning it has like all these prompts for your goals, like your money goals, your 2020 goal breakdown. It also has like a brand goal, marketing goal. And in the beginning of each month, July, this is my birthday, July 2nd. I am right in the middle of the year. My birthday is right in the middle of the year. It says a little quote or definition. So this one says integrity, the quality of being honest and fair. You have your little monthly spreadsheet with goals, time, deadline for your goals, your notes, and then it goes into your July budget. It goes into your expenses. So it has your product, date, expense, amount, your lash space, essentials, miscellaneous, July inventory, and then it goes straight into hour by hour for each day. So if you're someone that loves to plan out 6, I'm going to the gym, 7, drop the kids off at school, 9, film, 10, lash, you know, like it'll have that breakdown for you. And then on the top it has your work to-do list, it has your personal to-do list, your social media content, and your meal planning and habit and exercise tracker. This is just like an overall amazing little planner. And then at the end it has even more prompts for when 2022 is over. And I love, like, they always have like these cute little quotes. Right here it says, your journey isn't over, dreams turn into goals. Oh, it's so cute. So it has your 2022 review. So when we're done with this year, you can look back. So if you guys want to get this little planner on a discount, there's only a limited supplies because like I said, it's only for 2022 and we're already like in March. So they're not gonna make any more. But with that being said, let's get into the giveaway winners. Let's get the giveaway started. So as you guys know, the winners are going to be receiving tweezer stamps, lashes, tweezers, lots of goodies. If you guys did not enter this giveaway, there will be more in the future. Just stay tuned. But let's congratulate the winners. I'm so excited for you guys. My assistant put all the qualified entries in this little mason jar or whatever. I don't want to break my nail while I open this. Okay, we are good. So the first name I pick out should be winning the tape dispenser as well. They're going to be winning everything else, but also the big giveaway winner or whatever. Okay, so let's get this name right here. Let's see who the lucky winner is. Dolores Herrera, you are the lucky #1 winner. I will be DMing you. Congratulations, girlfriend. The second winner, let's see. Oh, okay. The second winner is going to be brisa gallegos. Yay! Let's celebrate these girls. Congratulations, you guys deserve it for watching my videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It means so much to me when I get you guys DMing me, commenting like, this helped me, this, I love this video. It just means so much to me. If you guys have any special requests for me to do any videos, leave them in the comments down below. I would love to know what you guys want to see from me. But other than that, congratulations to the 2 winners. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this thumbs up. I don't know what I'm saying. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to shop. My discount code is right here. Go shop. If you guys enjoyed, share this video with a lash friend so they can subscribe. Also be on the lookout for my next giveaway. Shop some amazing lash professional goodies. Okay, that's enough, Jessica. If you guys enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down so I can know. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves. You can also subscribe to my channel by clicking my face right here that just popped up and you are subscribed to my channel. And if you want to watch 2 other of my videos before you head out, click them right here. That was a long take and I'm like super hyper on Alani Nu. I love you guys. Bye.